Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss in Binance using the mobile app. Now, this is an important tool to protect your trades and avoid unexpected losses. So let's get started. First, you want to log into your Binance account using your registered email and password. And once you're in, go ahead and tap the trade button at the bottom of the screen, right at the center. And then from here, you want to select spot at the top bar. This one. You want to select this since we are trading directly. All right. And next, you want to choose your preferred trading pair like Bitcoin, USDT. Just make sure you have some available balance. And by default, you'll see the order type is set to limit, this one. Go ahead and tap it and switch it to stop limit. Now here's where you set your stop loss. You have to enter your stop price. This is the trigger point, and then set your limit price right below that, the price at which your sell order will execute. And once you confirm order, Binance will automatically sell your crypto if the price drops to your stop level, keeping your losses under control. And that's it. You've learned how to set a stop loss on Binance. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.